Good morning, friends! Welcome to day 1 of Morning Yoga Challenge. I'm Uliana if you're new here, and I will be guiding you through these 30 days of morning yoga. Let's begin our practice today in child's pose. Bring your big toes together to touch. Sit down to your heels. Your knees can be together or wider apart. Walk your hands forward and release your forehead down to the mat. Taking a couple deep breaths here to stretch your back and hips. If your forehead doesn't reach the ground, try making fists with your hands and stacking them on top of each other to support your head. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out through the nose. With inhale, expanding the ribs. With exhale, breathing out completely. With your next breath, come up to your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide, position your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Your feet can be pointed or flexed, whatever feels best on your ankles and knees. Let's move through a few rounds of cat and cow. With inhale, drop your belly down, pull your chest up, look up. Exhale, press the floor away. Bring your chin to the chest, round the back. Inhale for cow, lift your chest and tailbone. Exhale for cat, round the back. And keep flowing with the breath. With inhale, lifting your chest, arching the back. With exhale, rounding the back. Move as fast or as slow as you need to. Let your body follow your breath. Come back to neutral spine position. With inhale, lift your left arm up, look up. Exhale, thread this arm underneath your right armpit, lower your shoulder and side of the head down to the mat. Take a few breaths here, stretching the upper back, area around your shoulders. Press down through your right hand. With inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Same on the other side. Inhale, right arm up, look up to your hand. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your left side. Right shoulder down, head down on the mat. With inhale, lift your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, release your hand down. For puppy pose, keep your hips above your knees and walk your hands forward, lowering your chest and head towards the ground. See if you can bring your forehead down or maybe chin. This is a great stretch for your shoulders and back. Try to melt your chest towards the mat a bit more with each exhale. Take one more big full breath in puppy pose. And walk your hands back underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up into standing forward bend. Feet around hip distance apart, knees generously bent. Relax your upper body over your legs and hold your opposite elbows to add a bit more weight to the upper body. You can stay still here or sway the body side to side a few times, relaxing your lower and upper back, shoulders, neck. Take one big inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Release your elbows and bring your knees down back to tabletop, hands and knees position. Bring your left foot forward between your hands, a little closer to your left hand. Gently push your hips down towards the mat as you reach your arms up to the sky. Low lunge. Keep pressing down through your front foot and through your back shin to stay stable. And lift your chest up with each breath, lengthening through the sides of the body. Take one more big inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, release your hands down, bring your left leg back and step your right foot forward. Right knee is bent above the ankle. Gently push your hips down and lift your chest up. Arms reach up to the sky, palms face each other. You can look forward just in front of you or look up for a bit more challenge in this pose. Take one more big inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your hands down. Step your right foot back and find a simple cross-legged seat. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, side bend to the right. Left arm reaches up and over the head. Sit bones stay grounded into the mat. Take one more big breath here. And come back to center. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale to the left, right arm reaches up and over. Keep breathing deeply here, especially into your right side, as if you are trying to expand the ribs on this side a little more. Make your way back to center and let's take one more big breath together. Inhale, sweep your arms up, look up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. I hope this short yoga stretch made your morning a little better, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Have a good day.